Welcome. If you want to boost your Pinterest account security with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable the Require Code at Login feature on Pinterest using your PC. This extra layer of protection helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Find and click on Settings. This will open up all your account options. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Security section. Click on it to access your security preferences. Now, look for the option that says Require Code at Login. Check the box next to it to turn on this feature. Pinterest will now ask you for some information to set up this extra security. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your Pinterest account, as this is where you'll receive important notifications. Once you've typed in your email, click Next. Pinterest will now prompt you to enter your account password. Type it in carefully, then click Next again to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone number along with your country code. This step is crucial because Pinterest will send you a verification code via text message. After entering your details, click Next. Check your phone for a new message from Pinterest. You'll find a verification code in the message. Enter that code into the space provided on your screen. Then click Verify. Once your code is accepted, you're almost done. You'll receive a final code. Enter it, then click Done. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Require Code at Login feature on your Pinterest account. Now, every time you log in, you'll need to enter a verification code, making your account much more secure. Thanks for watching.